let's talk about how you should use pre-employment assessments in the hiring process. Now, a lot of people use pre-employment assessments in the hiring process as a go or no-go strategy. That's like a screening strategy. When you start to use pre-employment assessments, they're used typically in the selection process. You've already vetted the candidate, you've screened them, etc. Now you've moved into a short list with those candidates, and you actually implement a pre-employment assessment with those particular candidates. Now, what happens is that you shouldn't stop and go the process. It's a part of the process. It's a part of your investigation. Now, a pre-employment assessment is going to do two things when you use one in the process. What the first thing it's going to do is it's either going to agree with your intuition, so it's going to validate what you already thought of the candidate when you went through the interview process, or it's going to disagree with your intuition of what you saw. Now, both are good, but if it disagrees with your intuition, then start to leverage the further information that you have in those pre-employment assessments. So, for example, there's typically developmental suggestions. There's also interview questions. There's also verbiage on selection considerations that you should explore further as you look at those pre-employment assessments. So if you're going to use a pre-employment assessment, think about it as an investigation tool. Now, don't forget to visit our website at radpotential.com. And you know what? We focus on quality hiring. We help you attract and select quality hires.